guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a fantastic week. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my new PC that I just built. So this video will include some Minecraft gameplay, and I will also be teaching you guys how to install shaders for Minecraft in today's video. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first I'm going to show you guys how to install Optifine for Minecraft 1.18.2, and then I'll share some gameplay with y'all. So what you're going to go ahead and do is go to your web browser, and you're just going to search in Optifine. And the first thing that comes up right here, you're going to go ahead and tap. And you're going to go to downloads. So you can do show all versions, and whichever version you want, you can just download. But I'm doing 1.18.2. And instead of tapping download, you can tap mirror, so no ads will pop up and you won't have to wait through ads. Now you can just tap download, and once this is done, I like to drag it to my desktop. So once you got this on your desktop, you can go ahead and click it and then just tap install, and it says Optifine is successfully installed. Then you can tap OK, and you can go ahead and put that in the trash. So just run Minecraft, and you'll see right here Optifine is installed. So go ahead and tap play. Okay, so now I'm in Minecraft. As you can see, I have all these performance and graphic settings, but I'm gonna now install my shaders. So you're gonna go to shaders and then go to shaders folder, and once you're here, you're gonna go to your web browser and search in whatever shader you want. So I'm gonna go BSL shader, and it's right here. So okay, I'm gonna tap download. Okay, drag that to your desktop. Okay, once you have your shader, go ahead and drag it straight into the shaders folder and exit that folder. And as you can see now, it is in your shaders menu. So you can tap the shader to activate it, and then tap done. And your shader is now activated. You have now installed your shaders. So you can go ahead and go to a Minecraft world. BSL shaders are my favorite shaders. See, it looks very nice. The lighting is nice. And you get shader options right here. So I like putting on round sun and moon, dynamic handling on, and I also post effects. I like motion blur and depth of field. I put motion blur fairly high. Once you get that, now you see what this does. It adds like a motion blur, and depth of field basically almost adds like a camera effect. It like focuses on whatever you're looking at. So I really like that. And see if I can kill a few zombies. Okay. I don't know why I'm eating rotten flesh, but okay. Okay, well, that's how you install shaders. If this helped, go ahead and drop a like on the video, subscribe for more content, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.